Understanding the phrase, secret affair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, secret affair. This phrase is not just about words, it's about understanding the context and nuances in English communication. So, let's dive in and unravel the meanings and uses of secret affair. Secret affair consists of two words, secret and affair. Let's break them down. Secret, something that is not known by many people and is kept hidden. Affair. This can have several meanings, but in this context, it usually refers to a romantic relationship. When combined, secret affair refers to a romantic relationship that is kept hidden from others. This phrase often implies something clandestine or forbidden about the relationship. The phrase, secret affair, is often used in stories, movies, and everyday conversation. Here are some examples. They were involved in a secret affair, unknown to their families. The movie revolves around a secret affair between two characters. In these examples, the phrase is used to describe a hidden romantic relationship, emphasizing its secretive nature. Understanding secret affair also requires understanding its cultural and social implications. In many cultures, a secret affair is viewed negatively because it involves deception and betrayal. It's important to know this connotation when using the phrase. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Clandestine relationship, covert romance, hidden liaison. These phrases can be used interchangeably with secret affair, but might carry slightly different nuances. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, secret affair. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English comprehension and communication. We hope this video has been insightful, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting topics in the future. Happy learning!